In this video, we're going to learn how you can import a work order PDF in Hayvee. What you can do is, so most of the property preservation company will going to send you a work order PDF. I would recommend you to open our web portal and just drag and drop the work order PDF, and then you can create the work orders automatically in Hayvee. But let's see, if you get an email from them with the work order PDF attachment, you can simply download that attachment and click on this import icon button. Just select the client and upload that PDF directly in here. When you do that, it will automatically gonna read the work order PDF and fill out all the necessary field in that create page, and will give you the review screen where you can review it. So here, this is a client work order number. This is the street address. All these green dots is like 100% accuracy, and this is work details. This is yellow, but this is like 95% accuracy in here, but we would recommend you to look into it. And this in the special instruction, it gives you the AI generated instruction just in case if you want to let the field crew know. So with the help of these instructions, they know exactly what they need to do at the property. So if they are new, not experienced, then they can just read the work order instruction and they can just start doing the work. So everything looks good here. I'm just gonna update the due date because that work order PDF is too old. And then I can just simply assign it to John. And if I want to make it urgent, I can do that. I'm just gonna put a high priority in here. And I can simply create a work order. So this is like the easiest way to create it, and you can easily view the work order like this. This is the detail section. They know what to do. They have the address on the top. This is the AI instruction that I talked about, and this is the work order PDF. They can simply click on this view button and look into the work order PDF while they are at the property. I already told you about this task section, the media section where you can see all the pictures and the videos. This is like the admin section where you can just change the status, mark the work order complete, and assign it to anybody. And this is like the check-in history. I'm gonna let you know when we start taking pictures in the work order. So that's how you can import the work order PDF directly in Hayvee app. Right now we have like two work orders. This one we created manually, and this is with that import button. So that's all for today. I'll see you soon. If you need any help, just call on our support line and one of us will definitely gonna help you out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.